अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, मैं वफ़ा लांगा आपको अपने चैनल ग्रामर इन डिटेल में खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं आखिरी टेंस, वो है आठवां टेंस, द फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस, फ़ेल मुस्तकबिल मुकम्मल। इनके एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस सेंटेंसेस हम बनाएंगे। एक्टिव वॉइस में जो सब्जेक्ट काम करता है और पैसिव वॉइस में मुतासिर होता है। जब वो मुतासिर होता है तो ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह पे हम उसको एजेंट कहते हैं, ये आपने नोट करना है। सब्जेक्ट में जुमले, एक्टिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट काम करने वाला होता है और ऑब्जेक्ट पे काम होता है। पैसिव वॉइस में जब सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह लेता है तो हम उसे एजेंट कहते हैं, और जब ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे आता है तो हम उसे टाइटल सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं या टॉपिक सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं, जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं उन्वान, यानी जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही हो या गुफ्तगू की जा रही हो उसे हम उन्वान कहते हैं। सो आइए हम अपने सिंपल सेंटेंसेस को प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। सिंपल सेंटेंसेस होते क्या है? जो दो सेंटेंसेस विच मेक सिंपल स्टेटमेंट, जो सादा बयान जाहिर करते हैं उनको सिंपल सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं। फार्मूला उनको बनाने का तरीका होता है सब्जेक्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, एफ, थर्ड फॉर्म, ऑब्जेक्ट और फुल स्टॉप। ये होगा आपका एक्टिव वॉइस में। और पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, एफ, बीन। याद रखना विल हैव बीन हेल्पिंग वर्ब है। विल के बीच में एफ बीन के साथ प्लस लगाया, क्योंकि आप नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में इनके बीच में नॉट लगाएंगे। इंटरोगेटिव में विल को शुरू में लाएंगे और एफ बीन को सब्जेक्ट के बाद लगाएंगे। फॉर्मल में विल को शुरू में सब्जेक्ट के बाद नॉट और फिर बाद में एफ बीन लगेगा, और इसी तरह थर्ड फॉर्म, बाय, एजेंट और फुल स्टॉप। सो प्रैक्टिस करते हैं सेंटेंसेस का। ई विल हैव फेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, वो मसलों का सामना करता रहा होगा। प्रॉब्लम्स विल हैव बीन फेस्ड बाय हिम, मसलों का सामना उससे होता रहा होगा। वी विल हैव अक्यूज देम, हम उन पर इल्ज़ाम लगा चुके होंगे। दे विल हैव बीन अक्यूज्ड बाय अस, उन पर हमसे इल्ज़ाम लगवाया जा चुका होगा। नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वो जुमले जिनमें हम बयान को इनकार करते हैं, इन विच वी डिनाई, रिजेक्ट और रिफ्यूज दिस स्टेटमेंट। ही विल हैव फेस्ड द प्रॉब्लम्स, वो मसलों का सामना करता रहा होगा। प्रॉब्लम्स विल हैव बीन फेस्ड बाय हिम, मसलों का सामना उससे होता रहा होगा। वी विल नहीं होता रहा होगा। वी विल नॉट हैव अक्यूज्ड देम, हम उन पर इल्जाम नहीं लगाते रहे होंगे। दे विल नॉट हैव बीन अक्यूज्ड बाय अस, उन पर हमसे इल्जाम नहीं लगवाया जा चुका होगा। इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस वो जुमले जिनमें हम सवाल पूछते हैं। विल ही हैव फेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, क्या वो मसलों का सामना कर चुका होगा। विल प्रॉब्लम्स हैव बीन फेस्ड बाय हिम, क्या मसलों का सामना उससे किया जा चुका होगा। विल वी हैव अक्यूज्ड देम, क्या हम उन पर इल्जाम लगा चुके होंगे। विल दे हैव बीन अक्यूज्ड बाय अस, क्या हमसे उन पर इल्जाम लगवाया जा चुका होगा। फॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस वो जुमले जिनमें हम सवाल पूछते हैं, बयान को इनकार भी करते हैं। हम उन्हें रस्मी तरीके से, अदबी तरीके से अपने से बड़ों के साथ या उनके साथ जिनके साथ आप क्लोज नहीं हो उनके साथ यूज करते हैं। जैसे विल ही नॉट हैव फेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, क्या वो मसलों का सामना करता रहा होगा। विल प्रॉब्लम्स हैव बीन सॉल्व्ड बाय फेस्ड बाय हिम, क्या मसलों का सामना उससे किया जा चुका होगा। विल वी हैव अक्यूज देम, क्या हम उन पर इल्जाम लगा चुके होंगे। विल दे हैव बीन अक्यूज्ड बाय अस, क्या उन पर हमसे इल्जाम लगवाया जा चुका होगा। इनफॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस वो जुमले जिनमें हम सवाल पूछते हैं, बयान को इनकार भी करते हैं, लेकिन बेअदबी तरीके से अपने से छोटों के साथ या उनके साथ जब आप क्लोज हो यानी फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर में यूज करेंगे। वॉन्ट वी हैव फेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, क्या मसलों का सामना कर चुके होंगे। वॉन्ट प्रॉब्लम्स हैव बीन सॉल्व्ड बाय फेस्ड बाय अस, क्या मसलों का सामना हमसे किया जा चुका होगा। वॉन्ट वी हैव अक्यूज्ड देम, क्या हम उन पर इल्जाम लगा चुके होंगे। वॉन्ट दे हैव बीन अक्यूज्ड बाय अस, क्या उन पर हमसे इल्जाम लगाया जा चुका होगा। तो ये डियर स्टूडेंट्स था फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस का एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव बनाने का तरीका। अभी हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे कि आप इनको प्रैक्टिस कैसे करेंगे, आप अपने डेली लाइफ में इनको यूज़ कैसे करेंगे, आपको कोई हिचकिचाहट ना हो, तो उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस ज़रूरी होगी। देखिए, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट। अगर आप कोई साइकिल चला रहे हैं, बाइक चला रहे हैं, इवन तो कोई गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, शुरू में आपको काफ़ी दिक्कत होगी, काफ़ी मुश्किलात का सामना होगा, आप काफ़ी हिचकिचा के बोलेंगे, चलाएंगे। इसी तरह सेंटेंसेस में आपको हिचकिचाहट होगी, हिचकिचा के जुमले बनाएंगे, लेकिन एक वक्त ऐसा आएगा अगर आप इन प्रैक्टिस पे रोज़ डेली बेसिस अपना एक्टिविटी करें और इनको आप रोज़ प्रैक्टिस करें तो आपको कोई भी मसला नहीं होगा। तो आइए प्रैक्टिस की तरफ चलते हैं। टाइम हमारे पास काफ़ी कम है और हम इनको प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। हमारा फर्स्ट वर्ब है मेक, इसी तरह सेकंड वर्ब है लेट्स। जब हम सोचते हैं काफ़ी वर्ब्स नहीं आते, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ वर्ब्स, लेकिन माइंड में उसी वक्त नहीं आते। जैसे मैं कहता हूँ सैंड, ड्राइव, बाय, suppose in last verb speak. So make के हम sentences बनाएंगे. मैं कहता हूँ you make sentences. Sentences are made by you. Sentences are not made by you. Are sentences made by you? Are sentences not made by you? Aren't sentences made by you? Sentences were made by you. Sentences were not made by you. Were sentences made by you? Were sentences not made by you? Weren't sentences made by you? Sentences will be made by you. Sentences will not be made by you. Will sentences be made by you? Will sentences not be made by you? Won't sentences be made by you? Sentences are being made by you. Sentences are not being made by you. Are sentences being made by you? Aren't sentences not being made by you? Aren't sentences being made by you? Sentences were being made by you. Sentences were not being made by you. Were sentences being made by you? Were sentences not being made by you? Weren't sentences being made by you? Sentences have been made by you. Sentences have not been made by you. Have sentences been made by you? Have sentences not been made by you? Haven't sentences been made by you? Sentences had been made by you. Sentences had not been made by you. Had sentences been made by you? Had sentences not been made by you? Had sentences been made by you? Sentences will have been made by you. Sentences will not have been made by you. Will sentences have been made by you? Will sentences have not been made by you? Won't sentences have been made by you? सेकंड वर्ब है हमारे पास सेंड. सेंड के मानी है रवाना करना, भेज देना. जैसे मैं कहता हूँ he sends a message. Message is sent by him. Message is not sent by him. Is message sent by him? Is message not sent by him? Isn't message sent by him? Message was sent by him. Message was not sent by him. Was message sent by him? Was message not sent by him? Wasn't message sent by him? Message will be sent by him. Message will not be sent by him. Will message be sent by him? Will message be sent by him? Will message not be sent by him? Won't message be sent by him? Message is being sent by him. Message is not being sent by him. Is message being sent by him? Is message not being sent by him? Isn't message being sent by him? Message was being sent by him. Message was not being sent by him. Was message being sent by him? Was message not being sent by him? Wasn't message being sent by him? Message will be sent by him. Message will not be sent by him. Will message be sent by him? Will message message has been sent by him. Message has not been sent by him. Has message been sent by him? Has message not been sent by him? Hasn't message been sent by him? Message had been sent by him. Message had not been sent by him. Had message been sent by him? Had message not been sent by him? Hadn't message been sent by him? Message will have been sent by him. Message will not have been sent by him. Will message have been sent by him? Will message not have been sent by him? Won't message have been sent by him? Drive. He drives. She drives a car. Car is driven by her. Car is not driven by her. Is car driven by her? Is car not driven by her? Isn't car driven by her? Car was driven by her. Car was not driven by her. Was car driven by her? Was car not driven by her? Wasn't car driven by her? Car will be driven by her. Car will not be driven by her. Will car be driven by her? Will car not be driven by her? Won't car be driven by her? Car will be driven by her. Car is being driven by her. Car is not being driven by her. Isn't car being driven by her? Car was being driven by her. Car was not being driven by her. Was car being driven by her? Was car not being driven by her? Wasn't car being driven by her? Car has been driven by her. Car has not been driven by her. Has car been driven by her? Has car not been driven by her? Hasn't car been driven by her? Car had been driven by her. Car had not been driven by her. Had car been driven by her? Had car not been driven by her? Hadn't car been driven by her? Car will have been driven by her. Car will not have been driven by her. Will car have been driven by her? Will car not have been driven by her? Won't car have been driven by her? You buy a gift. Gift is bought by you. Gift is not bought by you. Is gift bought by you? Is gift not bought by you? Isn't gift bought by you? Gift was bought by you. Gift was not bought by you. Was gift bought by you? Was gift not bought by you? Wasn't gift bought by you? Gift will be bought by you. Gift will not be bought by you. Will gift be bought by you? Will gift not be bought by you? Won't gift be bought by you? Gift is being bought by you. Gift is not being bought by you. Is gift being bought by you? Is gift not being bought by you? Isn't gift being bought by you? Gift was being bought by you. Gift was not being bought by you. Was gift being bought by you? Was gift not being bought by you? Wasn't gift being bought by you? Gift has been bought by you. Gift has not been bought by you. Is gift being bought by you? Is gift not being bought by you? Isn't gift being bought by you? Gift was being bought by you. Gift was not being bought by you. Was gift being bought by you? Was gift not being bought by you? Wasn't gift being bought by you? Gift has been bought by you. Gift has not been bought by you. Is gift been bought by you? Has gift not been bought by you? Hasn't gift been bought by you? Gift had been bought by you. Gift had not been bought by you. Had gift been bought by you? Had gift not been bought by you? Hadn't gift been bought by you? Gift will have been bought by you. Gift will not have been bought by you. Will gift have been bought by you? Won't gift have been bought by you? नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है वो है स्पीक. ओके, स्पीक के मानी है बोलना. जैसे मैं कहता हूँ I speak English. English is spoken by me. English is not spoken by me. Is English spoken by me? Is English not spoken by me? Isn't English spoken by me? English was spoken by me. English was not spoken by me. Was English spoken by me? Was English not spoken by me? Wasn't English spoken by me? English will be spoken by me. English will not be spoken by me. Will English be spoken by me? Will English not be spoken by me? Won't English be spoken by me? English is being spoken by me. English is not being spoken by me. Is English being spoken by me? Isn't English being spoken by me? English was being spoken spoken by me, English was not being spoken by me, was English being spoken by me, wasn't English being spoken by me, English has been spoken by me, English has not been spoken by me, has English been spoken by me, has English not been spoken by me, hasn't English spoken by me, English had been spoken by me, English had not been spoken by me, had English been spoken by me, had English not been spoken by me, had English not been spoken by me, hadn't English spoken by me, English will have been spoken by me, English will not have been spoken by me, will English have been spoken by me, will English not have been spoken by me, won't English have been spoken by me. So dear students, यहाँ पे हमने फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंसेस के सेंटेंसेस बना लिए और हमारे टेंसेस यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हुए. हमारा माइलस्टोन एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस कंप्लीट हुआ और नेक्स्ट टारगेट होगी वो एडवांस पैसिव जैसे मॉडल एक्सिलरी वर्ब्स को कैसे चेंज करते हैं बाकी टॉपिक्स को. सो उनके बारे में हम अगले लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेंगे. उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको लेक्चर समझ आ गया होगा. आप भी इसी तरह प्रैक्टिस करें, एंजॉय करें अपने स्टडीज़ को. मिलते हैं अगले लेक्चर में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.